All right, so it is Liverpool 0, Everton 2. Well, outstanding performance from Everton Football Club. Haven't won at Anfield since 1999, something like that, but it's been a long while, and well-deserved win, and Carlo Ancelotti proved himself tonight. And basically, I can say that was a well-deserved win. Nice cool finish from Richarlison in the earlier stages, and stupid mistake from Arnold to give away the penalty. Arnold, not a good defender, but not good defending, but he's a good attacker, and he brought nothing to the table today. Now, the theory continues that each time Thiago Silva plays for Liverpool, they are significantly weaker, and I don't think that this losing streak can continue. They haven't lost at home in such a long while, and just all of a sudden they're on a losing streak at home, and it doesn't look good. Hopefully Arsenal can catch Liverpool in their downtime and deliver the goods. So it was a really good game, entertaining, back to back, but Liverpool really poor. Sadio Mane, Salah consistently going down. I'm not sure if they are simulation diving lessons they are taking or something, I'm not sure. But hats off to Everton. Both Liverpool and Everton are on 40 points. That's 6 points in front of Arsenal. Ooh. Yeah. 6 points in front. So if we should win our game tomorrow, would be only 3 points. We're only 3 points away from Liverpool and Everton. Oof, big claim. Anyways, Mr. Guna TV, hit the like button. Guess what? I am out.